Gentlemen, thank you for checking out my channel. My name is Antland, and today's video is going to be a short tutorial on how to make holes in objects in Anime Studio Pro. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to your draw shape tool. Once you have that selected, you're going to deselect autofill and auto stroke. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and get your shapes out. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to draw a square with a star-shaped hole. Alright, we'll go ahead and move that over. Alright, so put it right there. Alright, next thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your create shape tool. Now see it's selected the star. If we create a shape out of that, it's going to make that our center hole the color that we picked, purple. And we don't want that. We want it to be a clear hole in the middle. So you're going to select your square. From there you're going to hold shift and then select any point on the star, and then once you have that selected, once it looks like that, you're going to hit the space bar to lock it in, and there you go, there's your hole. Test it out. What I'm going to do is I'll show you guys. You got this shape. I'm going to go ahead and put it through there. There you go. I'm just going to send this to the back. Alright. Go ahead. So as you can see, we created a hole. So ladies and gentlemen, that is it for this video. If you have any suggestions or any other videos you would like to see, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you next time.